This is my dad, Rudy.
And this is my son, Rudolph. I guess it all started when I was about 13 and I saw a speedster cruise by and I thought, what is that? I fell in love right there. And then at 30, I bought my first new car, the '84 Carrera.
Porsche South Bay is entering in Porsche Cars North America's Restoration Challenge. We will be entering this vehicle in for the preservation category.
We really have to try and save as much of the original elements in the vehicle as we can. First off, a new tailpipe tip, European lenses, amber. This is a 225 that'll allow us to run a 245 at the back, so better for traction. The big debate of the hood crest, and I'm going to say that's points off, since it is a easily replaced factory current part. Later headlights, my vote would be to go to Hella H4s, the full flat European lens.
That's the car. Josh, just pull the motor and see what we got. Good, let's go.
Trying to preserve as much of the car as possible is awesome. There is a sustainability to restoring a car. We throw parts away all the time instead of taking the time to try to actually fix things. And it's really rewarding too as a mechanic to actually fix a part instead of just installing a new one. Porsche's history is just so good. Most old 911s are still on the road today. And it's cool keeping that history going.
The cool thing about this build and about this car, Rudy, the father, will be passing this vehicle on to his son, Rudy Jr.
Rudolph taking it over. It's fantastic, you know. I decided that was the way to keep it in the family. Woo! Wow. Wow, that's beautiful.
Yeah, this is more than just a car for us. It's part of the family and the Sverchek legacy.
You know, you get addicted to these cars and you just can't let it go. Once you get the addiction, there's no cure to having a Porsche.
So what did you think when we pulled the cover off?
Unbelievable, just unbelievable. The depth of the paint is just incredible. It's all red, just like it originally was. The engine is brand new.
Yeah.
It's fantastic.
There's very little of this that got replaced. Much of this was just reconditioned. All of the engine tin and support pieces, so everything that we see in here that was black, that is now all powder coated as well. Fan and fan ring are new Porsche Classic parts. It was really fun to take it apart and put it back together and use as much of what we had with the car from the day it left the factory.
So early on, the life lessons that this car and my dad have pushed into me is, if you want something, you got to work for it.
I've been a Porsche owner for over 50 years and so much fun to keep it in the family and see it continue.
I can carry it on and pass it to my kid in 30 years and we do this all over again.